Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel in 2018. I know I've been a little bit MIA since this year started, but I just needed a little bit of a break. I was so rushed with all the videos and everything I was trying to get out for you guys during the Christmas period. I just needed a little bit of a break from it because yeah, I'm still working full-time. Still trying to maintain a household and cook meals and clean, and as well as get ready for Christmas. It got a little bit too much for me. I mean, it was to the extent that I even took a day off work just to try and catch up with my YouTube, which to me that's just crazy. Like I would never well, I did, but that's just not right. So I just need a little bit of a break just to not have to worry about getting videos out. And like, I know it's my own pressure that I'm putting on myself, but I just felt so much pressure, and it was constantly on my mind, and it's like, I've got to get this video out, I've got to edit this video, I'm running out of time, and I just felt a little bit overwhelmed with it all. So yeah, well, I'm back now. Probably not quite as frequently as I was towards the end of last year. I'm hoping to still get out 1, maybe 2 videos a week. It just makes it hard with the type of videos I do, because usually I'm creating something. Like if it's a craft or DIY, I still have to create that craft as well as then film it while I'm creating it and edit it and all. You know, the process of showing you a video of something that I've created can be a week-long to 2-week process depending on what the actual project is. I am hoping to try and get out at least 1 or 2 videos a week for you guys of some sort. I'm just looking down here because I just made a couple of notes so I don't forget. What you can expect from my channel this year is basically much of the same as what I did last year. So, I mean, obviously not the exact same videos, but videos to do with home decor and home organization. Planners, I've just sort of started getting myself back into using a planner. I've had quite a few years break from it, so probably as I sort of get into the planning side of things again, I might do a few plan with me videos. But I have my nice craft room all set up. I'll definitely be doing a lot more craft and DIY projects as well. What else? Furniture makeovers, they will still be, yeah, I will still be doing a couple of furniture makeovers this year. Probably not as many as I have done like last year, mainly because I've not got a lot of furniture left to do. But yeah, I've still got a couple. I've actually got one that I'll probably be posting this week or next week, which was my living room table coffee table makeovers, and that's a very quick video. So yeah, there will be still some furniture makeovers. What I do want to maybe include is a few, because I mean, my health and fitness and diet and looking after myself, all of that sort of stuff has really fallen by the wayside this past year since moving into a new house and trying to get the house organized. I'm gonna try and take this year, take a little bit more time for me this year and concentrate on getting myself fit and healthy and losing some weight and all of that sort of stuff. So I might do a few videos on that. I'll see how I go. I mean, I know it's a very personal thing and probably not really gels with the content on my channel as such, but yeah, I'll see how I go. If I do, it wouldn't be more than maybe once a month update. I've got to work out, I've sort of working out what sort of plan I want to follow as far as exercise and eating healthy, and I'm still working out what sort of plan is going to actually suit me first. And maybe what I might actually do is I might do the videos weekly, like actually film them weekly and post it once a month as like a this is my journey type thing. If you're interested in that, maybe let me know. I don't know, it's, yeah, they can get a bit boring and tedious, but I'll see what I feel. That's just what I'm thinking anyway. So yeah, that's, I mean, basically I'm still going to be doing what I keep doing on my channel, everything to do with art and craft and home decor and all of that. My big goal would be to be able to do YouTube full time, and then I can do all these projects all day long and pump out the videos, but that's not really a reality at the moment. So yeah, I'm honestly going to just do as much as I can, organize my time wisely, and try and get out as many videos as I can for you guys. But I will admit, like, we got a new, like, we haven't had a couch or a lounge to sit on since we moved in, which was June last year. So we've basically just been sat at our dining table to watch TV. And I mean, I'll be honest, like, there wasn't really much time all of last year to actually sit down and watch TV. So we didn't do a lot. We were basically just working, coming home, sorting stuff out in the house, going to bed and getting up and repeat. There wasn't a lot of time for sitting around watching TV, but we did get a new lounge just before Christmas. And since getting that new lounge and discovering Netflix, because like I said, we were living, I mean, I don't know if a lot of you know, but we were living in a really remote town prior to coming to the mid-north coast. We were living there for 5 years, and we didn't have access to Netflix and pay TV, and we've only just signed up to Netflix just before Christmas. So you can imagine, with a new lounge and Netflix being like a candy shop, we've just been binge watching quite a few shows and movies just to catch up, and of all the years we've missed out. So yeah, all these shows that are now pretty old for you guys, like Game of Thrones and all of those sort of shows, I mean, it's all brand new to us. We haven't seen any of them yet. So yeah, we have been watching a little bit of Netflix, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, like, sort of the relaxation time's over, time to get back into a bit more productive work. I just thought I'd give you a little update and apologize for not sort of being around as soon as the new year rolled through. What I would suggest though, if any of you guys are solely just subscribed to my YouTube channel, maybe check out my Facebook page, Live It Like Lisa, because sometimes I'll put updates on there that aren't necessarily on YouTube. So I put a little update on there yesterday just to let you guys know what's happening and why I haven't sort of posted a video for a little while. So maybe just, yeah, if you wanted to hop on over to Facebook and join my Facebook page. Or I've got Facebook and Instagram and Pinterest. They're my Pinterest. I don't necessarily use properly, like, I don't necessarily use for my own channel at this stage. I mainly just use Pinterest for my own personal use, like to get ideas and decor ideas and craft ideas. So there's not a lot of my own stuff on my Pinterest account yet. Instagram, again, all of my accounts are Live It Like Lisa. So Instagram, Pinterest and Facebook, they're all under Live It Like Lisa. Instagram, I just started posting a few more photos on there. Like, I was just again using Instagram to notify everyone that I've got a YouTube video just uploaded, but I have started using Instagram just to upload random pictures, especially over that Christmas period. So you're more than welcome to join me on Instagram as well. And I mainly just want to thank everyone for all your support for this past year. Like, I honestly didn't expect, I mean, my channel's still very small in comparison, but I honestly didn't expect my channel to grow as much as it has just in 1 year. Like, I'm surprised that people are even finding my videos in the big ocean that is YouTube. I just like to thank everyone that has subscribed to my channel and shared my videos and joined my Facebook page and Instagram page. I just want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart, because honestly it's been so positive. Like, all the comments have been really nice. I mean, I know that, like, a lot of people can get a lot of hate and nasty comments on YouTube, and thankfully I'm probably not at that level quite just yet. So yeah, I'm just really happy that everything sort of stayed positive. And I'll be honest, like, when I started doing YouTube, like, my sort of in my head it was all about, oh yeah, I want to make this my job and I want to make money off it. But once I realized that, yeah, that's that's not going to happen for a long time, if ever. It was actually just the positive comments that actually, how can I say, that was actually making it more enjoyable for me more than anything else. Like, I was actually looking forward to people saying, oh, I watched your video and, you know, it's given me a good idea to do something in my own home similar, or, you know, those sort of comments I actually really, like, I don't even know how to describe it. Like, it really encourages me to want to keep doing it. Like, the money side of it is not my priority anymore. Like, I mean, because let's be honest, like, you don't really make much money off YouTube unless you're PewDiePie or one of these big channels. But yeah, it's actually just to be able to inspire people and to give people ideas and things, and to be able to share my home and share my ideas with people. Like, that's actually given me, yeah, like I'm getting the most out of that side of the thing. So that's what's actually keeping me going. It's actually just to be able to share what I create with you guys, and to share the things that I do. Like, I'm really surprised actually, because I honestly, when I first started, like, I mean, I'll be honest, like, when I first started, like, it was all, I thought I was, you know, I was going to make heaps of money off YouTube. But yeah, once I actually looked into the work and the time and everything that's involved, and yeah, the fact that you don't make money off YouTube, like nothing that you would be able to quit your job for at this stage anyway. It was just the kind words from people that really boosted, you know, like, really made it fun for me. Like, and I like wanting to share more and wanting to do more. I just want to thank all you guys. Like, you've been really wonderful. Like, and I think I've just got a really nice bunch of followers, and I'm just really excited to share all my new videos with all you guys in this new year. So I really, yeah, I'm gonna do my best to get as much out as possible, but I want the things to be, I want the videos and the content to be quality as well. I don't want to just pump out videos for the sake of pumping them out. So I want you guys to actually enjoy what you're watching. So yeah, that's basically all I just wanted to say to you guys, and to just let you know where I've been and what's been happening. I can't promise a set schedule or anything like that. Like, I can't sort of say, yep, I'm going to upload every Monday or every whatever day at this stage. I'm just going to try and upload as soon as I've got the projects finished. I'll try and get them out quick as possible. So, but until then, after this video, I'm going to film my what's in my bag video for 2018. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.